Hi guys, let's talk skincare devices because I have tried a lot of them, but not all of them are worth the hype. And I kept seeing the Face Genie everywhere, so I decided to test it out myself. And I want to show you guys how I've been incorporating it into my routine. This is the Face Genie. It has a beautiful aesthetic to it and a curved head. It also maintains a 40 degrees Celsius temperature, which is going to help with blood circulation as well as just make the whole process of massaging your face so much more seamless. Another thing that I will say is I love that it's activated once you place it on your face, as you can see, and it immediately starts to warm up. It is so nice. Now this device offers red light for fine lines and wrinkles, green light for hyperpigmentation, and blue light helps breakouts. So I normally start with the green light because that's the first light on the device, and I do lymphatic drainage. Now if you learn a little bit about lymphatic drainage, you always want to be lifting upward. So you want to take the device and you want to sweep it upward from your nose area up close to your ear. Now this is gonna help drain your face and also just shape your face. Now I've learned that you actually want to drag from here down because you have a lymphatic drainage right here that you want to kind of push that toward your lymph node from right here down. Now, lymphatic drainage is going to help with puffiness, especially in the mornings. This is where it gets fun. If I have a lot of breakouts, I go in with the blue light. Now, what's nice about this device is you can just go straight across your chin if that is a problem area like me. And if my skin happens to look dull, I go in with the red light. Let's talk about what I've noticed so far. So at first I was skeptical because I've tried a lot of these type of devices. However, I did notice a difference because the warmth in this is so special to me. It really makes it feel like a spa. My face looks less puffy since I started using this in the mornings. And I do feel like it's giving me a beautiful glow even before putting on any makeup. If you've been curious about LED tools, this one is super easy to use and definitely has some really nice features. Not to mention it's beautifully aesthetic as well.